Hi, my name is Rachel and welcome back to Oxheart Gardening. Today I am in the kitchen to show you guys how to make pickled jalapenos. This is going to be a pretty simple process, and at the end of this I am going to can my pickles because I'm probably going to have enough to last for a very long time. However, if you're just making a small batch, then you can easily pickle some jalapenos and keep them in the fridge for a few months really. Alright, so I'm going to start off by making my brine. I'm not going to bother telling you all the ingredients here. I'm just going to put it down below where you can easily read it and reference it later, because I know going back through a video to figure out how much of this thing, how much of that thing, super annoying. So the brine recipe is down below, and after I've made the brine, I'm going to chop up my jalapenos and put them in jars. So you'll notice that the peppers I'm using don't look like jalapenos. They are actually banana pinos. That's a cross between a banana pepper and a jalapeno that I got from the Experimental Farm Network. And for the purposes of this video, they are basically exactly the same as jalapenos. And honestly, you could probably use this same exact technique with any hot pepper that you'd like to pickle. So in addition to the peppers in the jars, I'm going to be putting cloves of garlic. I'm going to make sure I crush these before I put them in the jar. That way they just release more of their flavor into the jar of pickles. Once you've packed your jar, you can fill the jar with brine, leave about a ½ inch of headspace, wipe off the rim, and then seal it up. If you're going to can it, go ahead and water bath can it at this stage. If not, they can just get labeled and go straight into the fridge. This is what my finished product looks like. The peppers have turned a little bit yellowish. They're not as bright dark green as they were before, and that's just due to the heat of the brine and the canning. If you are only using brine, then you will probably not see quite as much of a color change. Also, it is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon here, and if you see this rainbow on me, I'm actually facing my kitchen window, which has one of those like rainbow sun catchers on it. And oh my god, every single day there's a rainbow in my kitchen and I love it. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but if you want to get one of your own, I'll go ahead and leave a link below just so you can check it out and see if you like it. Alrighty, it is just that simple. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and until next time, I wish you all happy gardening.